Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Clark's classification. So here there are 5 grades. Let's look at each grade. So in terms of the level 1, the depth of invasion is it's related to the epidermis. Then moving on to level 2, it invades the papillary dermis but doesn't fill it. So it invades the papillary dermis. But doesn't infill it. So it doesn't fill it. And then we move on to the grade 3. So type 3 is where it fills the papillary dermis. So filling of the papillary dermis is seen. And there is the impinging on the reticular dermis. It is impinging the reticular dermis. And there is not invading, but not invading. Then we move on to the grade 4. Grade 4 is where the depth of invasion, it invades the reticular dermis. So it invades reticular dermis. So this invasion of the reticular dermis is grade 4. Then moving on to level 5 is where it invades the subcutaneous tissue. So it invades the subcutaneous tissue. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.